Alright, y'all. It was a long night of...
And now we're going to set the decoration down.
Yeah.
And I'm doing a shark and I'm drawing it. And I got the rainbow eyes and the rainbow teeth and stuff.
Yeah. What are we going to decorate for?
We're going to decorate for Easter.
Yeah. We are sleepy. We slept on the couch last night. This one was up getting sick.
I have the Mickey Mouse shirt.
But we're gonna pull it together today, put some happiness back, and decorate for Easter.
I love you. And I see the chair and my mama did the chair thing.
You're so sweet. All right.
See the teeth? They're beautiful.
They're beautiful. They are beautiful. All right, come decorate with us.
Hey y'all, welcome back to another holiday decorate in the RV. It's probably one of my favorite things to do. So before I even started decorating, it's spring cleaning, I just wanted to do a super quick spring refresh. So I started just by cleaning up the kids' toys that were all over the place, and then I vacuumed quick. And by the way, this is my favorite, probably appliance, I guess you could call it, in the RV. Derek got me this for my birthday, I think last year, and it's just amazing. And also the perks of living in an RV, it takes 5 minutes to vacuum your house. So great. So I just vacuumed quick, and then LYLA has this chair we got her for her birthday a few years ago, and the kids love it. They'll sit in it to watch TV, but they also jump around and wrestle and play on it. So it really needed some tender love and care. So I took that apart so I could throw that in the wash, give it a good clean. The kids have been sick, so they've been snuggling up with all these blankets. So I threw all the blankets in a bag and went to go wash them and switch some out with some more Easter spring looking blankets that I had. So super easy, quick spring refresh, clean, nothing crazy. I just like to get everything in order before I even start decorating. All right, y'all, time to decorate. If you've watched any of my other Decorate the RV videos, I think I have a Christmas one and a Valentine's one. And so all the stuff you're seeing in the videos is either decor that we already have, or I went to Dollar Tree and purchased the items. I think I spent a total of like $29, and I'm pretty sure I got other stuff that wasn't related to decorating for Easter. So super cheap, super simple, great products that they have there. I did have some leftover pink stuff from Valentine's Day that I was able to use for Easter too. So super simple, nothing crazy, just quick Easter decorations. If you watch to the end of the video, there is some decor that is switched around. I did have an Easter egg garland under the TV. The TV is actually on a swivel, and sometimes we pull it in and out away from the wall, and the Easter eggs were just too big there. They were just getting knocked over. So I actually put the pink garland up by the TV, and then I actually cut the Easter egg garland into 2 pieces and split it between the 2 end tables on either sides of the couch. This is probably my favorite decoration in the RV, even during Christmas too. I don't know why, but these wreaths on the pantry doors just make me so happy. Super simple. The wreath, wire hangers, wreath, I don't know what they're called, but you know, the green metal wreath makers. They came in a pack of 2 from Dollar Tree, so I just got those, and then I just grabbed this pink Easter egg garland that they had, wrapped it around, tied it on, super easy, and then hung it up on the pantry, and it just looks so cute. It just adds that little extra touch. All right, y'all. Well, I hope you enjoyed this Easter decorate in the RV. I know Easter's coming up soon, so if you haven't decorated, maybe this will give you a little motivation. Go to the Dollar Tree, grab a few things, decorate one area in your house. It just makes it look so nice. But I hope y'all enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe, give this video a like, comment, share, and I will see y'all again next week. Happy travels and God bless y'all.
Hey, don't forget to subscribe.